Hello everyone, Civil Defense Southerner speaking, and today I have this kit of smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. I have featured this alarm in two videos at my other location, and earlier today I was testing the smoke alarms during the periodic test, and the smoke alarm kept chirping every minute. I did everything. I replaced the batteries. I even cleaned it with a vacuum cleaner to make sure to get rid of any dust, but it just kept on chirping. Even if I replace the batteries or take out the batteries and put them back in, it just kept chirping. So, I got with me, I got this hammer. We're gonna break it today. And don't worry, we are getting the smoke alarm replaced. We're working on that, so our kitchen will be protected because that's where the smoke alarm was located. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so right here I'm in the backyard. I have the smoke alarm right here. I'm gonna break it. Well, I just dropped it. And by the way, this smoke alarm was made in 2017, but obviously it just doesn't work, so we're gonna break it. Dropping it does not even work. I'm gonna break it. So we're gonna break it right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh well, looks like it's gonna thunder. Oh, this smoke alarm is really durable. Look at all the scratches. Wow, it's so tough. What I'm gonna do with it, maybe I'll put in water. Wow, it's severely dented. That button won't work anymore. Now we're starting to see some tears in it. Got the test button out. I think I did. Yep. Pieces are gonna go there for now. Now we're getting some smashing in. And right here is the alarm circuitry, but wow, we have really destroyed this piece of junk. All I wanted to do was test it, but it just kept on chirping, so it needs to be destroyed. Look at the alarm. See, it does not even work. So, yeah, it's definitely, I definitely compromised the integrity of this. I got the hammer stuck. Okay, there you go. This is how the alarm looks like now. Everything that will should do it. Alright, so I got all the debris and pieces and whatnot in this bag with this smoke alarm that I just killed. And yeah, I definitely broke it. It wasn't working for me anymore, so I broke it. But don't worry, we're gonna replace it. I will have a video of it as soon as I get it replaced. So yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, I gotta get inside before it storms, so I gotta make this quick. Bye.